I am going to teach you a Clemmensen reduction reaction. Specifically, this is a reaction in which we get alkane as a product. See here, actually CH3, here C double bond O and CH3. Actually, this is a ketone, C bond, and this is a carbonyl group. When ketone treated with zinc amalgam in concentrated HCl, delta for heating, this composition gives us 4 nascent hydrogen atom. Actually, this is a reduction reaction. Reduction is nothing but addition of hydrogen atom. Reduction is nothing but removal of oxygen. Reduction is nothing but gain of electrons. So n numbers of definitions of reduction. Actually, this is the vast term. Reduction is nothing but here addition of hydrogen take place. This is a Clemmensen reduction, is a very famous reaction to prepare alkane. In this reaction, see here, this carbonyl group is directly converted into CH2 group. That is what? CH2 group. C double bond O directly converted into CH2 group. This is actually the heart of this reaction. What happens in this reaction? 2 hydrogen get adds to this carbon atom. There are 2 different valencies. These valencies will be occupied by these 2 different hydrogen atom. And what will be the picture? See here, CH3, here C, here CH3. We get here hydrogen, and remaining 2 hydrogens from here and this oxygen, we get H2O as a byproduct. What is this? This is a simple alkane. Name of this compound is CH3, CH2, CH3. That is propane. Another example for you people, CH3, C double bond O, here CH2, here CH3. This is also ketone, CH3, C double bond O, CH2, CH3. Again treated with zinc amalgam, concentrated HCl, and delta for heating, required somewhat heating. We get 4 nascent hydrogen atom. Nascent hydrogen atom is nothing but what? Newly born hydrogen atom having high energy. From this mixture, during the course of reaction, this hydrogen atoms immediately get generated here and react with this carbonyl group. What happens in this reaction? CH3, C double bond O group converted into CH2 group. Here CH2, here CH3. So our point of interest is that CH2, C double bond O group is converted into CH2 group. What will be the byproduct? H2O get last. 2 hydrogen atoms adds to this carbonyl carbon and oxygen, and remaining 2 hydrogen we get H2O as a byproduct. See here, actually this is CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. What is this? 4-membered carbon chain. That is what? Butane. What? Butane. Question will be asked in your exam, how will you prepare propane from this acetone? Another question like this one, how will you prepare butane from this is butanone? 1, 2, 3, 4. But2-ONe. But2-ONe. Question will be asked in the exam in this way. Convert the following acetone to propane. Another is butanone to butane. Okay, see this carefully.